How awesome is the earthquake-proof bed that is not afraid of a 10-magnitude earthquake? When an earthquake strikes, the bed's vibration sensors will respond if there's an obstacle preventing the lid from closing before the device activates. It will sound an audible alert until the obstacle is removed. The earthquake-proof bed is activated immediately as the bed rapidly descends. You'll be enclosed in a safe space. Vents at the heat of the bed allow for internal airflow. The bed is made of a solid metal frame, strong enough to withstand the impact of any wall, in order to have enough time to wait for help. The bed is equipped with a 15-day supply of drinking water and food, as well as a first aid kit. The surface of the earthquake-proof bed is marked with a distress symbol, and you can signal your presence with a distress switch to make it easier for rescue teams to find you. The bed is designed to ensure that it can accommodate people of all sizes. It comes in 10 different types of earthquake-proof beds, including drop-down, coffin, folding, sliding, piring, and double door. This bed allows you to sleep more soundly in earthquake-prone areas. No more worrying about being startled by a sudden earthquake while sleeping, even if you're buried in the rubble. Just lie quietly in bed and wait for help. While others are still living on feces, you can enjoy 15 days of food in your bed. So what do you think are the disadvantages of this earthquake-proof bed?